Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 14th, 2021, and in this video here, what I want to talk to you is containers with catch pots on the bottom of them. So this is one of my containers here, and it does have the catch pot on the bottom, and these are nice for helping like with self-watering, but there is a problem with them, and I have found this over the years of gardening. And what can happen is as your plants start growing, the roots will actually go down and they will clog the holes up, and it won't let the water drain out anymore. And how I found this out is I had a plant one year. It was a container of coleus, and they were growing, they were beautiful, and I started watering them, and the one day I noticed the water wasn't running out of the container anymore, and the plants had started dying, they weren't looking good. So I started checking to see what was going on, and here the plant roots clogged the drain holes, and the water wasn't running out into the reservoir, and it wasn't running over or running out of the container. So the plants were literally drowning from root rot, and they did wind up getting root rot. So catch pot containers are nice, but that is something that you do want to watch out for. So you could put some little layer of stones in the bottom if you chose to, but it's just something that you really want to watch out for if you're using these, that they don't actually start drowning your plant. And I've noticed this with not just this variety, but other varieties of containers that have the catch pots on the bottom. So it's just kind of something to keep in mind. I am still going to use this. I am going to be planting some Nigella in this today, but it's just something to keep in mind about. So, especially if you get a lot of excessive rain, and that was another thing. The excessive rain, it just couldn't drain the water out fast enough, and the plants wound up, I think I lost most of them, but I use these now mostly in the greenhouse because I can control how much water they get. And it dries out, it gets a lot hotter in the greenhouse, so they dry out a lot faster. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.